You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A Japanese dish name. For more names from Japanese cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. A Japanese beef and rice bowl. So you got rice with beef on top of it and an egg also. In Japanese it's said as Gyudon. Gyudon. So it's a long oo sound, because it normally has in Japanese, or at least the way we write Japanese, it has a bar on the u, okay, so it makes it longer. Gyudon, gyudon, gyudon is how it's pronounced in Japan, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.